Hello and welcome back to my channel, House of AB Design. I'm AB and I'm so happy you decided to click that thumbnail. Welcome to the second installment of building my backyard patio oasis. In today's video, I'm focusing on the dining area of my patio, and I'm also adding some visual aesthetics to the space to complete the look. I decided to head to Lowe's in my area to purchase some plants that won't attract so many bees. I want to be able to sit outside and not be on guard for fear of getting stung. The garden area in Lowe's had many selections to choose from, so let's go shopping. If you haven't already checked out part 1 of building my backyard patio oasis, then make sure you do so. I will be sure to link it in the cards right about now. In part 1, I show you how I made most of my patio furniture. For this trip, these were my selections. I didn't want to do too much, but it does introduce some color. After building the sectional and coffee table for my outdoor patio oasis, I decided to build this dining table from some more wood that I purchased from Lowe's. I came across this West Elm portside outdoor dining table online and knew that I wanted this look. I like the style and modern lines of the table, but it was way out of my budget. So for about $50 in supplies, some inspiration, and a little physical effort, I was able to get the table I wanted in the end that is aesthetically pleasing, sturdy, and will last for years to come. My next focus was to transfer the plants that I purchased from Lowe's to the plant pots that I had already had from last year. Hey there, like what you see so far? Then hit that like button, share this video, and if you're not already part of my YouTube family, subscribe. I'd love to have you. For my next outdoor project, I decided to incorporate some art. In addition to the plants, which provided some green accents throughout, I felt the space needed a focal point as I sit outside and enjoy the view. What better way than to include something that I created when I'm relaxing on the sectional? This minimalist style art provides a calm and soothing aesthetic while also making a bold statement with color. Since my patio is uncovered, I will be sure to protect the artwork by using an outdoor waterproof sealer off camera so that it will safeguard the art against the outdoor elements. I know I will definitely bring the art indoors during the colder months. Hey there, like what you see so far? Then hit that like button, share this video, and if you're not already part of my YouTube family, subscribe. I'd love to have you.
So outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray.
Here, I'm sewing an outdoor pillow using this aisle runner fabric. I know you guys probably think I'm crazy, but that Party City aisle runner has come in handy for a lot of my projects lately. I wanted a neutral pillow for the sectional, and the pillows I found were $20 and up for the look I wanted. I already had some pillow foam that I wasn't using and this aisle runner fabric, so for next to nothing, I got the look I wanted in less than 10 minutes. I'd call that a win. And now for the reveal. I love the way this space turned out. I had no idea what I wanted when I had the contractors lay the patio last year at the end of the summer season. All I knew was that I wanted an outdoor space that spoke to my design aesthetic. I was so pleased that I was able to pull this off with a limited budget. By making the sectional, cocktail, and dining tables by hand using a combination of discounted and pressure-treated wood, I was able to save hundreds of dollars had I actually purchased an outdoor set. I refurbished some gifted chairs, purchased some new outdoor dining chairs, and even did a few DIYs to personalize the space and give it some color. I now have an area where I can entertain or just come home from a long evening and just relax. This concludes my backyard patio oasis. Until next time, thanks for watching.